I meet with a lot of clients that are considering replacing their siding or looking to paint it. Sometimes they're looking to paint it for the second or third time that they've had it. In St. Louis, we have a lot of that masonite type pressed paper, hardboard siding. And so even though I've seen when people have painted it over the years, it holds up better than it probably would have if they did nothing. You're still seeing that swelling and edge checking and the rotting starting to happen on the siding. So once it starts, there's really no way to stop it permanently. I think painting it, you can put a Band-Aid on it. But these days, to paint a house can still be several $1,000s, and the return on that investment is zero, especially knowing that it's going to keep continuing to deteriorate over time. So we're typically not fans of painting your siding, but I think it's something where we do an evaluation of the home, we see the condition of it, and if painting might be an option for you. Really, the only pro to painting the house is to buy a couple years of time and then maybe do a color change, and you save a few $1,000s from replacement. But other than that, I do think it's a little bit like putting a short-term Band-Aid on the house. It's certainly an option to paint the house yourself. You can brush it, you can roll it, you can even buy pretty nice commercial grade sprayers these days as a homeowner to spray your house. Some things to keep in mind are safety, right? So if you have a tall 2, even 3-story home, some of the ladder work or even having to invest in pump jacks could be pretty expensive. And then it's also time, right? So it takes a lot of time to go through and properly paint a home. You have to watch the weather very closely, right? So you need to be within certain humidity levels. You need to make sure it's not going to rain for the next 24 to 48 hours. There's just a lot of effort that goes into painting it yourself versus consulting with a professional that knows how to plan properly and get it done in a timely manner. As well as when we look at replacement, it's the same thing.